Exports here, and today I'm showing you another tutorial on how to create your own dedicated server on Call of Duty MW3. I've made a video of this before, but this is the more advanced video, and it will show you how to insert your own custom game modes, how to change your map rotation and that kind of stuff. So yeah, here we go. Just hit play and private match. So now we're going to create our game mode. As you can see, we're going to create a, well, you can't see it, but it's in my mind. We're going to create a sniper mode, actually. So let's say unlimited time, minuscule health generation, regeneration none, no kill streaks, no custom classes, and we're going to create a default class. This will be the only class they will be able to use. So let's say the L11-8A, impact only and extend max only. No secondary and as lethal throwing knife. Now what we're going to do, sleight of hand pro, quick draw pro, and that silence pro, and let's copy it to team 2. So as you can see now, team 1 and team 2 has the same class. Nobody will be whining about some guys using other classes or something, because this is the only class they will be able to pick. Because it's free for all, you should actually have one default class, so this one won't matter. But in team deathmatch this might matter, because team 1 and team 2 is a different team. So yeah, that's our mode, and now let's save it to our desktop. Let's say sniper, we'll call it that way. Save custom game mode succeeded, and now we're going to our Call of Duty MW3, I'm sorry, server files, and let's go to admin. As you can see here, you can see the sniper.dsr file, and we're going to insert this game mode in our map rotation. So we're going to open the default with Notepad. And as you can see, I already did it. I want to play Dome and Alpha only. Alpha is resistance or something. So yeah, MP Dome. Wait a sec. Yeah, MP Dome. This is the map. Behind the comma is the game mode, which in this case is sniper, and the weight. So I set it to 1 because it's the standard. And it's 1 out of 1000 that it will pick this map, and 1 out of 1000 that it will pick this map, so actually it's 50-50. You can also do it like this, so your sniper mode is in here, but this won't actually matter, because these slashes are a sign that the server shouldn't read this, so the server will just skip it and just read these two maps and the game modes and the weight. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to save it, and let's go to the server file, and you can change this to default 1. Oh yeah, I gotta show you. If you don't want to do it in the default, just copy the default, paste the default, and rename it to default 2 or something, or default 1. And then yeah, you should change it to wait a sec here. You should change it to default or default 1. Let's just say default. So yeah, that's kind of it for the server files. Now we're going to open our server, which is, I guess, this one. Yep. And now we're going to SV map rotation and start _ map _ rotate. Now if you want to open your port, you should open this one, 27015. In my previous video I said 27016, but yeah, what does it matter? It's 27015. Now let's say, yeah, well, let's just keep it on that one. So just go back to your main menu. And this guy, wait a sec, it was M-I-Q-A or T or something, or NT or whatever. He asked me how to go to your dedicated server on the hacked Steam and a release of MW3 or whatever. I can tell you I haven't got any experience with the hacked Steam or any hacked games on Steam. So yeah, this is actually how to do it in the regular MW3 game. So then you should go to servers, LAN, here's my server, and we're going to join it, and I'm going to fast forward in 3, 2, 1. I'm not actually going to fast forward this because my computer is fast enough. So yeah, here we go. I'm on Dome now. I've got the default class 1, that's the only class I'm able to use with the L11.8a. Well, you know the setup, we've discussed it before. So now I'm going to show you some console comments. I'm sorry. So let's see, what can we do? We can do map_rotate, and it's going to load the next map, which in this case is lockdown, which was alpha, so I was wrong with resistance. What can we do next? We can do server info, which will allow you to retrieve some info about your server. You can do status, which will show you the status of all clients in your server, like the IP address and that kind of stuff. You can do ban, you can do kick, but mostly it's hard to kick people because, as you can see, I'm going to kick myself. Exports, and it will say player INS is not in the server. So what we might do then is INS, and then instead of a space, let's do underscore exports. Nope, player exports is not in the server, so let's just get his status, and it will show which ID he is, which client actually. So let's do kick client as 0, because I'm 0 in this match, and we might say lol. Yep, kicked for cheating. And as you can see here, the notice is lol, but it says in the console, it says was kicked for cheating, client lol. I'll place some, well, most of the game modes, well, no, not the game modes, the comments in the description of this video. I'll link you a web page which allows you to review this stuff all in one, so you'll have to read instead of listen to it. So yeah, I'll do that, and as you can see, if I try to get in my server now, it will say you have been temporarily banned from the server because I was cheated. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe, like, favorite, comment, whatever you can do, and I'll see you in the next video, I hope. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys, bye.